Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Microsoft Planner. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to get your Microsoft Planner, you will be needing to get Microsoft 365 uh, Pro plan. And basically, if you don't have either an organization email that has already planner that is included, or if you don't have the Microsoft uh, Copilot or the Microsoft 369, you won't be able to get the planner. So simply you can just go to Microsoft and search for the planner, and from here you will find it. And basically you will be needing to have already the Microsoft uh, 365. And if you don't get the premium plan, you won't be able to use the planner. So as you can see here, I have this organization email, and basically it allows me to start going through the planner. And if you want to get yours, you can let's just disconnect, and I'm just going to sign out. And basically I'm just going to click on the planner, and as you can see here, you will be needing to sign in. So when sign in, you will be needing to add your account. So you can either sign in with your personal account and then pay for the Microsoft 365, and then you will be able to start using all the tools that are given by the Microsoft 365. And basically you will get many tools such as the planner or any other Microsoft tools uh, or the premium tools. And by that, you will just finish sign in and pay for the subscription or pay for the Microsoft plan, and then you will be able to start using your Microsoft plan. And basically, when you log in, you will be able to join your organization and you will find all your tasks, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.